Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of investing, you've probably heard about FXAIX and VOO, two heavyweights that both aim to track the S&P 500. In this video, we'll do a side-by-side comparison to help you decide which one might be the best fit for your portfolio in 2025. Let's jump right in. First off, what exactly are these funds? FXAIX is Fidelity's 500 Index Fund, a mutual fund that's been around since 1988. It's designed to mirror the performance of the S&P 500 by holding a basket of its largest companies. On the other hand, VOO is Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF, launched in 2010, and it does the same thing but as an exchange-traded fund. Both are passive investments, meaning they don't try to beat the market, they just follow it. Now, let's talk differences. One big one is how you buy and sell them. VOO, being an ETF, trades like a stock throughout the day on exchanges, giving you more flexibility if you want to make quick trades. FXAIX, as a mutual fund, is only priced once at the end of the day, which might suit long-term investors better. Expense ratios are another key factor. VOO has an ultra-low ratio of about 0.03%, while FXAIX is around 0.015%, making it slightly cheaper. Over time, those tiny fees can add up, potentially boosting your returns. Performance-wise, both have historically tracked the S&P 500 closely, with minor variations due to fees and tracking error. For example, in recent years, they've both delivered solid gains, but VOO might edge out in liquidity and tax efficiency because ETFs often have lower capital gains distributions. However, FXAIX could be easier for beginners since Fidelity offers fractional shares and no minimum investment for some accounts. Pros of FXAIX include its potential for dividend reinvestment and simplicity, while VOO shines with intraday trading and broader accessibility. But remember, neither is risk-free. Their value can fluctuate with the market, so always consider your risk tolerance. In conclusion, if you're all about low costs and flexibility, VOO might be your pick. If you prefer a traditional mutual fund with possible account perks, go with FXAIX. Do your own research or consult a financial advisor before investing. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more investment breakdowns. See you next time.